Iyaqala imidlalo ewuchungechunge yeOne-Day International phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika neEngland enkundleni iNewlands eKapa kusasa. Ukapteni uQuinton de Kock uthemba ukuthi ukunikezwa lesikhundla kuzomenza adlale kangcono uma amaProteas esebhekene nompetha bomhlaba.
Kulo mdlalo amaProteas azobe bophele abadlali abamkantshubomvu okukhona kubona uDavid Milner, uLungingiti kanye noAndile Phehlukwayo. Kwabazobe beqala ukudlalela iqembu kukhona uKyle Verreynne, uYaneman Malan kanye noLutho Siphamla. Izindaba ezinhle kumaProteas ukuthi amangisa anqume ukumphumuza uBen Stokes.
I think obviously it's always nice to not play against Ben Stokes anyway. But no, they've still got some quality players. A lot of them are still World Cup winners and we're part of that squad. So they've also got some exciting young players also. So.
Ukapteni nompetha bomhlaba nguEwan Morgan, kanti kubadlala bakhona kubala uJason Roy, uMoen Ali, uTom Curran, uDavid Malan, uAdil Rashid kanye noChris Jordan. Odiko kujabule ngomdlandlo okhonjiswa iqembu lakhe.
In India, I just had a short stint there. I kind of felt that extra responsibility was good for me. So I hope it does. I'm really hoping it does. But yeah, we're just gonna have to see, and I'll still keep just trying my best anyway.
Lo mdlalo uzoqala ngehora lokuqala emini.